The string replace method in JavaScript is relatively straightforward, and like all good methods, the explanation is in the name. So this one here allows you to replace a portion of a string with something else. So in this example right here, I've got some text that which says dislike the video. Now, on the second line, we have a new string called replaced, which is text.replace, so calling the replace method, providing what you want to replace first, and then second, what to replace it with. So in this case here, replace the dislike with like, okay? If I was to run this code here, we do in fact get like the video as the replaced string right there. So relatively straightforward. This is the most basic example of using the replace method. It's also important to note that this here is going to replace the first instance of your string. If you have dislike twice as an example, run the code again, it only replaces the first instance and not the second instance. You can also use regex for the replace method. So right here, we have John is a developer, everyone likes John. I'm then saying text.replace, then passing to a regular expression pattern instead, of course, JOHN, and replace this with Dom. I'll run this code and we do in fact, of course, get the expected result. Dom is a developer, everyone likes John. So we still have John at the end here. If you want to replace multiple, you simply use the G flag in the regular expression, run it again, and you get multiple being replaced right there. And that is all for this one. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Decode, and here is another video.